Now, after a beautiful swim down there, you can recess into having a good game, a sweet time right here playing this. And for the tennis enthusiasts, you can have a nice time here, giving your opponent a whoop in the ass. Now, this unit, this home is in the market with just an initial deposit of 2 million naira. You can spread your balance across 3 months. This is Citadel View Estate, sitting right here in Shongote, and my name is Ifoma Perpetua, your first and very best when it comes to real estate matters here in Lagos State and Asaba. Call me right now on 091-3444-5696 to secure yourself a unit right here in Citadel View. And trust me, you enjoy doing it because this is not just a property, this is not just an estate, this is a lifestyle. With all of these amenities, you are sure to have yourself a good stay right here.